Back to How to Mastery. If you're trying to add music or sound to your Instagram Reels but keep seeing the sound not available error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it. First, let's quickly understand why this problem happens. It could be because of copyright restrictions in your country. Your account is set as a business account. You're using an outdated version of the app, or some songs are simply restricted in your region. Let's start with the first and most common fix, switching your account type. If you're using a business account, Instagram limits your access to popular music. To fix this, go to your Instagram profile. Tap the three lines at the top right, go to Settings and Privacy, scroll down to Account Type and Tools, tap Switch Account Type, and change it to either a creator or personal account. That usually solves the problem right away. Still not working? You can try using a VPN. Sometimes a song is only blocked in certain countries. Use a VPN app to switch your location to the US or UK, then reopen Instagram and try again. Another easy fix is updating or reinstalling the Instagram app. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search Instagram, and hit Update. If there's no update available, uninstall the app and reinstall it. This clears out most temporary bugs. For Android users, here's one more quick fix. Long press on the Instagram app, tap App Info, go to Storage and Cache, and hit Clear Cache. Then open the app again and check if the sound works. Here are a few bonus tips. Try logging out and logging back into your account. Use royalty-free music or original audio as a workaround. And if none of that works, check online if Instagram is facing an outage. That's it! One of these methods should fix the real sound issue for you. If it helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.